Holi, the festival of colors, is round the corner. Many of us eagerly wait for this occasion to enjoy with colors with our near and dear ones. Amidst all the celebrations, it is very important to take care of your skin from the harmful effects of the colors. Today, let me share a few skincare tips that you can follow during Holi. First and foremost, always opt for organic or herbal colors which are relatively safe and gentle on your skin. Before stepping out, apply a rich moisturizer that suits your skin type. Use generous amounts of sunscreen, preferably a water-resistant or a waterproof one, to prevent suntan and sun damage. Apply petroleum jelly over the sensitive areas of your face like the corners of the eyes, the corners of the nose, the lips and the ears to prevent the colors from settling down here. Then coming to the hair, apply oil or serum on your hair to minimize the damage from the harmful effects of the colors. Always keep your hair tied in a ponytail or a braid or a bun. Coming to the nails, keep your nails short and apply a thick coat of nail paint to prevent the damage to your nails. Do not apply any oil on your skin as the colors may dissolve in the oil and may penetrate deeper. Opt for full sleeve clothing and full length joggers or trousers in organic fabrics such as cotton or linen. This has two advantages. One, it prevents the colors from sticking to your clothes, and the second one is that it protects your skin from photo damage. Hydrate yourself by drinking lots of water and healthy fruit juices. Dehydrated skin is more prone for photo damage, and when a dehydrated skin combined with the harmful effects of colors makes your skin look dull and lusterless. And one more thing that you have to take care is that avoid visiting the parlor for activities such as threading, waxing at least 1 week prior to Holi. And also always try and play with dry colors so that the colors can be dusted off more often. And more importantly, if you are under treatment for any active skin conditions, it is advisable to avoid playing with colors. These were a few skincare tips that you can follow during playing with colors. After enjoying a colorful Holi, it is very important to wash off all the colors, preferably with a gentle and a soap-free foaming body wash, but avoid using any harsh scrubs or loofahs. Once you wash off all the colors, moisturize your skin well with a rich moisturizer that suits your skin type. In case you develop any allergic reactions to the colors, please contact your aesthetic specialist immediately. It is quite possible to develop a tan post-Holi due to the sun damage and the effects of the colors. Feel free to schedule an appointment with our aesthetic specialist at NN Aesthetics for a customized and a comprehensive tan removal program. Thank you and wish you all a very colorful Holi.